Hello there, welcome to our Ultimate Godot. So in this video, very short, I'm going to show you how to import a scene and use that scene as a node in another thing. So basically everything in Godot is can be put as a node, and we can use the relationship between the nodes as a node tree to have a certain logic, then make your game. Okay, really simple one. For example, we have this task flight. Just go to the corner here. I believe I need to move myself a bit. Okay, so here, okay, I'm going to point it. Here we got this text flight. Okay, we got text flight. We got sprite 2D. So we basically got two things here. So double click, we got this thing. Double click, we got sprite 2D thing. This sprite 2D thing do have a animation player attached to it. So when you actually play this thing, okay, let me just run the current thing, so you can get this animation of this moving and go back, moving, go back, and go loop. Okay, and if you go to the text flight thing, just a bunch of nodes. And if you run that, or if you just run the whole project, doesn't really matter, because this is like a default thing that we're going to run into. It will do something like this. Nothing will happen. Just show all these cute Godot's avatar or sprite in the game development jargon. And what I'm going to do is to import the second thing as a one node into the first or primary thing, so you can use that as a node. Okay, so how to do that? Pretty simple. Just click here, and we get an instance child thing. Or of course, you can use Shift Command and A to add that. So instantiate means that you want create that from a certain formula. Okay, so you make an instance of that thing as a node. So if you click here, you can click sprite 2D, okay, and you're going to open. And as you guys can see, we got sprite 2D. And if you look at here, we got animation attached to it. And we got this nice Godot here. And you can just click and drag, maybe pointing here. So if you play the whole project, you can see not only something like this, but also you can see this this sprite. And of course, you won't be able to to drag that to a certain place. Sorry about that, because we get animation attached to it. So animation got a keyframe attached to it, so it will just even though it's starting at this place, will instantly go to that the first keyframe at a specific place. So we can still see the animation, but it's at that place. Okay, so really simple. So if you think this video is helpful, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.